A force of magnitude 21 Newton acts at an angle of 120 degrees to the horizontal. Find the horizontal and vertical component of the force. Okay, let's solve it. So the force is 21 Newton and the angle is 120 degrees. Okay, let's draw a diagram. So this is the horizontal and here is the force. So the force at an angle of 120. So this is the angle, which is 120 degrees. This is the force. So the force 21 Newton. Okay, let's make this angle theta. This one, let's name it theta. We don't know. Okay, so this is the vertical force. This is the horizontal force, sorry, and this is the vertical force. Let's name it. Let's make this part fx for easy identification. This one to be fy. So a straight line makes an angle of 180 degrees. So to calculate the angle theta, we have to subtract 120 from 180. So the angle theta, so theta is equal to 180 minus 120, which will give us 60 degrees. So we have this place to be 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Okay, let's proceed. We can now calculate for the horizontal and also the vertical forces. Let's first calculate for the vertical force. So for the vertical course, which is Fy, so sine theta is equal to f of y over 21. So f of y is equal to 21 sine theta. So which is equal to 21 sine, and the theta is 60. Okay, let's take our calculator and calculate. So sine 60 is equal to sine 60 times 21, which will give us 18.2. So 18.2 Newton. Don't forget the unit, which is in Newton. Okay, let's calculate for the f of x. I want to cos theta is equal to f of x Let me write it well. F of x over 21. That's adjacent over hypotenuse. So f of x is equal to 21 cos, you know theta to be 60. So 20 times cos 60 times 21. It will give us 10.5. Give us 10.5 Newton. Therefore, the horizontal force is 18. The horizontal force, which is the f of x, is 10.5, and the vertical force, which is f of y, is 18.2. Okay, let me write it. Therefore, the horizontal force let me write it well. Okay, therefore horizontal force is equal to 10.5 Newton, and the vertical force is equal to 18.2 Newton. Thank you. Please like and share this video, and also leave a comment. Don't forget to follow for more. Bye bye.